Hey guys, I just wanted to put a super quick intro to this video and then I'll tip the rest of it over to music. After seeing the folio that my friend made for me and the video I watched earlier with my friend Dawn doing how many cards, both of them had used remnants of this paper collection from Love from Lizi. This I think came out a couple years ago. I still have remnants of it, so I will be using it again soon to use it up. But in the meantime, it was bugging me and bugging me. I thought I had made some cards using this paper pad collection when I first got it. So here's a few from that round of cards I had made. I found the footage on an external hard drive that had some old video footage. So in any case, hope you guys enjoy this. I feel better now that I found it, so I'm not feeling crazy anymore. And in the meantime, hope you guys are having a great weekend. Take care, stay safe. Thank you guys, as always, so much for watching. It is always fun hanging out with you guys. And I will definitely be seeing you in the next video.